Bonjour. Today I'm going to show you how I did create this look with an easy setup just by playing with light. Let's go. I decided to shoot in my garage since I don't have any dedicated space, and at the same time wanted to show you how you can transform any place the way you want. If you want a good looking image and a cinematic look, you want to control all the light coming in the camera. On this video, I use my Sony a7 III. I use the Godox SL60W and a couple of cheap lights you can find on Amazon. First step, let's turn off all the light coming in the room. So let's add a background light. But unfortunately, as you can see, the light spilling everywhere in the room and even on our subject, and you don't want it. I tried to shape the light with a reflector on top of my Godox with paper that I cut to make it seem like the light coming from the window. So I ended up using a black curtain to cut the extra light coming spilling on my subject. Now you can see the result. We don't have any light spilling on our subject, and it makes the separation between the background and our subject. Let's move on our fill light. I use a small LED and add a gel to give this warm, thirsting look. I made it bounce on the ceiling for the light to feel like a regular night light. Combined with the backlight, it creates a really cool color contrast. Now, let's take care of our key light. We can see here that our subject is lit, but one part of the face is too dark. We can notice how hard the shadows are. Since I wanted to stay creative and under budget, I made the light bounce over some paper sheet you can pretty much have everywhere. Finally, I used my whole whiteboard as a bounce to fill the shadow on the other half on my subject's face. Well, that was an easy and quick tutorial on how to light your scene. I will drop some more on bigger projects in the future, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Au revoir.